Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited today because I got a Dyson hair dryer.
Bring me down, pick me up, that's a start. Always popping, yeah. My body hurts, can't stand.
This has been delivered to me for the past, I think, 3 months now or 2 months now, but I don't really want to open it because I just felt like I had to do an unboxing video for you guys and for you to see how it is, the packaging and everything. So it's actually a very big box, actually very big. Look at that, so gigantic. I remember when this was delivered to me, I was so scared. I'm like, why is it that big? But I think there is something good in it. Hang on there, don't go anywhere, and we'll see. So I'm just gonna start opening the box now, and ooh, okay. So the box is just so big, and it's got another box in it. This tiny one, not very tiny but medium size, and then extra one. I don't really know what this is, but we'll just go through the whole box and see what they've got inside. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this one. So I just want this to be worth it, because spending a lot on hair dryer, you would like to have something that's really worth the money. So look at that, guys, look at that, this is lovely. So they had to draw everything on the body. So this is the hair dryer, this is the attachments that comes with it, and back here they had to put a drawing and labeling of the hair dryer itself, so you can have a clue of what the hair dryer is about, and you can have a clue of the body and the attachments and everything, the buttons. So yeah, I think it's a very good idea to have this labeling here, and on in here you still have this smoothing nozzle, the re-engineered styling concentrator, and the diffuser. So everything is on the body, and this will give you a clue of what you're going to see inside. Stay tuned, let's see. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take off the nylon. So I haven't really got little story, I haven't really got any hair dryer myself, so the one I'm using now is gotten by someone else and it's not the best. So this is actually my first hair dryer that I'm investing in. So yeah, it's a very exciting day for me. So look at that, and oh my god, how do I clean this out? I think I have to take off this covering. So so this outer covering goes out, and there we go, another packaging. Oh my god, like this is well protected to avoid any of them getting spoiled. So this is the main thing. Here is the main deal. Oh my god, I think everything has already popped off from here. It's meant to be here, and then now it's here. So I'm just gonna rearrange it and put it in the perfect place it's supposed to be, and then I will show you all. So here is the arranged box of how it should be, so it got rearranged because I was throwing the box up and down when I was trying to show you guys. So I'm just gonna start by showing you first of all that this is the cover and it's got lots of foam in it. Look, so this serves as a cushion to prevent the main item from getting damaged or spoiled. So here, first of all, we have the smoothing nozzle. So from here it says it delivers wide, smoother airflow for a smoother finish. So if you want to have a very smooth, lush hair, just use this nozzle. And so the second nozzle is the concentrator. So here it says wider and thinner for precision styling. So if you want to concentrate on a particular point in your hair, so you can use this one rather. And we've got the diffuser. So look at that. I think I'm gonna like this. So it tries to diffuse air, isn't it? Let's see. So the diffuser, more even diffusion to help define curls and reduce frizz. So yeah, if you want to diffuse the hair like all over your hair and you don't want to concentrate on a particular point, you have to use this one. So lovely, interesting. So, and we've got this one. Oh my god, this is so lightweight, I can't even feel anything. Oh my god, like it's weightless. Like guys, this is weightless and I think I'm loving it, because trying to care for afro hair is already a big issue. Is already, you guys know what I mean. So it's very hard to care for afro hair, and then when you have something light like this, it's dry. Can't imagine. It's lovely. At least I wouldn't have to get arm pain all over. So in here there is also a mat. So I think this is used when you're using the hair dryer and you want to put it somewhere. So putting it here is going to help to minimize risk. So it's just for the hair dryer. And we've got the, so this is the user guide. So this is the user guide, in case you need anything. And then there's a very little thing here that I don't even know what it is. Guys, who knows what this is? Just leave a comment on the comment section, because I don't really know what it is. It's just a very tiny little cute thing. Okay, and that's it. So yeah, hopefully this will be very beneficial to me and very useful, because I've been having a look on it for the past I think for the past 7 months. Then I got it like 4 months ago and it got delivered, as I said earlier on. I haven't really opened it. So this is Dyson Supersonic hair dryer. So one more thing, if you're an afro hair lover or you're a naturalista, or you are having your hair unrelaxed, there is this part of this Dyson hair dryer that you will like and you will love it. So I'm just gonna show you now, because this is basically made for afro hair. So this right here is the white tooth comb. Yeah, white tooth comb is written somewhere there. So yeah, it's written. So it's a white tooth comb for afro hair. So I'm just gonna open it now and we'll see how it is. Hopefully this will help my thick fussy hair, because I've been struggling with trying to stretch it. So oh my god, look at that. It's so wide and long as well. I haven't even gotten everything out, but I can see the length already. Like this will be very useful. So you're just gonna use it to like stretch your hair at it go. So yeah, I've been having a look on professional hairstylists and all of that, and they've been recommending this product, this Dyson Supersonic hair dryer. So yeah, and that's why I decided to get it. And then I got this attachment. Guys, guess what? This is free. So when you buy this whole box and then you order this, you are gonna get it free. But then when you order it like later on, or you just decided to order it on its own, I think it's about £30. So yeah, hopefully it will worth it. So stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to put your notifications on, because I will be showing a video sometime later on I'll be showing you all how it came out. I'll be showing you my natural hair, if it really worked out, because my natural hair, I don't know if you can see, it's quite thick. So yeah, I'll be trying to do this, and then I'll be telling you and sharing my first impression on it. So yeah, excited, are you? So this is lovely, and thank you for watching, thank you for seeing my video, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.